So I just got my CHULUX coffee brewer. I'm excited about this because my old coffee maker, not this brand, but it just broke and I wanted something simpler. This one is perfect. You can see it's small. It's only a little higher than my hand. Makes a single cup of coffee, and you can use disposable pods like Keurig pods fit in this, or you can use filter coffee with one of those reusable filters. I'm excited. So let's open this up. You can see it's simple, and I love simple. There's really just on-off button. You're going to open the top here, put in your cup, your K-cup or whatever you use, or the reusable filter, put that in here. Fill up 1 cup of water and put it in here. Close the lid, turn the handle, and then just press on. It does take about 3 or 4 minutes to brew a cup of coffee, but it's hot and it's really good. Okay, so I plugged it into the kitchen and I'm gonna make my first cup of coffee with it. All right, it holds about 12 ounces of water. So just fill up your coffee cup, pour it in here. Now all my pods are at work, so I'm just gonna show you with some tea. You can put the tea right in there, shut the lid, close it, put your cup under there, and then press the power button.
My new machine that makes coffee with the K-cups. I just got it in the mail yesterday, so I'm testing it out. I am making green tea. So it's just warmed up the water and it's making the cup now. As you can see, I love red. It matches the rest of my appliances in my kitchen. So I love it. Thank you. And it has an automatic shut off when it's done.